Welcome to the channel with no catchphrase. Now, what I'm doing at the moment with my friend Tommy is we are unloading my new 1997 CBR900RR-V from the back of his van. Now, I bought this bike for the tidy little sum of £400. It's non-running, it hasn't started in over 3 years and hasn't really been on the road or MOT'd since 2016. I have no experience in restoration or restoring a bike back to roadworthy condition, but me and my friend Pete together are going to give it a go. So stick around and let's see if we can get it on the road. We're going to change this rear light that's, well, it says clear, but it's horrible, so got a new one, a new second-hand one, so we'll get that on.
Take the panels off.
Look at that. There you go. Let me see that. Yeah. Lovely. And then afterwards I can show you the faults that came back. They're looking good.
Yeah, just square them up earlier, so it shouldn't be too bad.
Right, next one. Did you just want to give it another one quick try, electric wise?
Yeah. Oh, the electric's still on actually, so whoops, I never turned it off there.
Excellent.
And right. Ta-da!
Looking good.
Tis working. That's it. Right under there it is. For that catch that this adjusts.
I cleaned up the actual latch on that.
Should work actually, yeah. So let's try that again just to make sure that key.
So next we're going to see about getting this caliper off, because the rear is seized on.
Whether it's because somehow the brake seat is on, or whether the calipers, we'll find out. But basically, got to get it off.
Yeah, because that's not releasing much, is it? When you look at it, there's not a lot of releasing that, is there?
So it could be that the back brake's on.
Yeah, that could be why it's basically dragging. Yeah, that's the one. Come on. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's loosened off. That's it, yeah, we can get to it just. Come on in. Oh, line up. That's it. Right, now. This is down the bottom. That's right by the stand.
There is one more.
Yeah, there is one more. Don't worry, there's 3 on here, so. Oh, it's moving. That's good. Good news. There we go. You can pull it forward.
Right. One there.
There we go.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, right, it's all right. So straight through, that is.
Yeah, straight through, mate.
Right.
We have the means. Front axle. Big bolt, isn't it? Sure is a big bore. That's on that. Look. Yeah.
Lucky. Yeah, we'll grease it up. I actually brought some grease with me as well.
Yeah. So I've got a wire brush over there. We'll brush it down a bit. Success. Right, don't
You dropped that bung?
No, pads are falling out.
Yeah, let's have a look.
That's alright, yeah, there we go. It's actually got some, oh, there you go, yeah, not too bad on the brake pads actually.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to lose that bit. That's from that side, yeah, that goes on there. Yeah. So we can pop our bolt through that to hold that, can't we? Yes, it's wonderful stuff, brake fluid.
Okay, here we go.
Too much, you've got that round, isn't it?
Oh, right. Take that, Zara. That came off that, so you're... So loads of pitting on that piston. Yeah, it's rusted.
That's right.
Yeah.
That should be fun, but anyway. So, there we go. You hold it.
I do apologise, but my camera stand broke. So it's all one-handed.
Hey, I lost the washer. Washer's good in the bottom.
Washer's gone at the bottom.
Never mind.
Okay.
We know where it went.
Yep.
That's the main thing. Right, so, and that's going to have some fluid in it.
So we've got the replacement caliper on.
Yes. So I should have just nipped that up a little bit more with my fingers. Oh no, it's not too bad actually.
You got that, because I can't.
Yep, I'll hold that. There we go, she's in.
Excellent.
It's not
Right.
going anywhere but where we want it to be.
Yep.
Yes.
The angle? What's the angle?
Oh yes, the angle is the dangle is very important, you know. Now, does that go that side or the other side of the fork? Let me know. Whilst we're at
What's
the
that?
stage. Does that cable go around the outside of the fork? I think it went that side, didn't it?
Push up. Like that.
Right, like that. So let's try and nip this in here.
I was thinking that if there was some kind of a stop, but there's not.
And a little squirt down here, down these ones as well, remember?
Yeah, I gave them a squirt.
Yeah, that's right, just moving the wires up away from it. Ah, believe it, that's right, that's it.
Yeah, I
And down
already
this
gave
top
them
one here
a
as well. And this one here as well at the top. That's it, now you're in. Right, that's it.
Let's get it, let me get it as straight as I can.
And that's it, we'll push her up. And then about there, so nip that one up. That's it.
Okay.
And one new one.
A new one.
Old to new.
So,
Well,
here we go.
New second hand.
Be very careful. I do not to mess this up. I don't know if it's the front or back.
I think that's the way around it's looking like it's going, to be honest. I don't think you can go around any other way, can it? Because it's got to go around that little temperature gauge, isn't it?
There you
You
go.
can only go one way, can't it? 'Cause that was there, wasn't it? It was there on
Yeah.
that way before, so yeah.
So today's little job, as we can see here, you have this clip thing here, which was missing on the other side. Now, I was told they're rarer than rocking horse poo
Indeed.
and some very rare. And
Very
luckily,
kind person.
I shall not name because maybe privacy, but I found the rarest of the rare. So we shall see now if that fits in, if they haven't buggered up what's inside.
Well, that rubber grommet might need to come out for this to go in then, by the looks of it.
Yeah.
I would think. That way round or that way round. I think, with a bit of luck. Ah, okay.
Does it fit?
So, I think because we've noticed this has been modified, done up before.
Yeah. There's a previous,
That
obviously,
is
repair.
just slightly.
Well, it might
It's in line, but it's just for it to actually sit in,
Yeah.
which that one appears to actually do.
Properly, yeah.
Then it looks like we may just have to find out the holes a little bit, or possibly drill them out. I think that might. Yeah, there's a bit of occasion of the holes.
Yep. Got it in
Seem
there.
to be in.
And it lines up. Now we have to remember which goes where. Goes there.
Well, they're pretty universal. I'm fairly certain.
Yes. Yes.
I'm sure we'll find out. I don't think if there's any angle there, but yeah, one way around to the other there, so they're handed anyway. So
Yeah, yeah.
I think that it's handed. So. Should, but probably doesn't. How much wiggle room have we got on the? That's up to its spacer, isn't it? I bet this bucket's not going to go in there. I think we should have got the spacer in first. That's
So this is
right. So yeah, it's not straight yet, but I was just tapping it through. So, so let's see where we're at now. I think. This side. It's in the hole, yeah, it looks like that's fine, so that's okay. Lovely. There we go. Right, so
Okay.
I'll put that there for a minute.
I've got the calipers back on. Wheel is in. I didn't film that last bit of fluff. It's just finger tight for now. On this side, because I've got the camera.
That's it, there we go.
So, a few filming disasters due to a lack of a stand, but as you can see, forks back on, Mudgard's back on, wheels back on,
Inflated.
inflated.
A nice new valve.
Yes, they do need changing, but it's got a lovely new valve. And we are definitely looking sexy.